Guys, I'd like to read you from the Study Bible, Philippians 4, verse 8 and 9. Finally, brothers, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Whatever you have learned or received or heard from me or seen in me, put into practice, and the God of spirit will be with you. And the God of spirit will be with you. Yes, Lord. Have a pleasant day, guys. Cheers for now.